everybody, and welcome to another Advent day. Today we are opening day 5 of the Simply Stated Design Christmas Advent 2025. I'm going to go this way. And there is number 5. So exciting having a little present to open every single day. Okay, number 5. Let's see what we got going on here. Well, that's a cute mashup. I like that. Aw, there are a bunch of cards, like you can do card fronts or make them into tags or journaling spots, photo mats. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh, just gorgeous. Chantel has such a knack for picking the most beautiful graphics and putting them all together. Incredible. Wow, that is beautiful paper. You know, if you're loving these designs, please go and check out Chantel's website at simplystateddesign.com because she has amazing, and not just papers, ephemera, and even some scrapbook supplies like adhesive and stuff. So please go and check out her site and pick yourself up. If not these papers, pick up some of her others. She has the most unique designs. When you make your scrapbook pages or cards, nobody else will be bringing the same card to a birthday party, I guarantee. All right, everybody. Thank you very much for joining me for day 5, and I will see you all tomorrow for day 6. Have an incredibly crafty day. La 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 la.